What's up people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching the video at. This is your host Ganesh and you're watching my channel Beardo on Enfield. So today I'm going to install a new item on my bike which will be handlebar. Yes, as you can see in the thumbnail, I have purchased a new handlebar for my bike which is from Barrel Exhaust. So let me quickly unbox it for you and show it to you how it looks. So this is the handlebar which I was talking about from Barrel Exhaust, and let me quickly unwrap it or unbox it and show it to you how it looks. So by the way, behind the camera is Edward, who is helping me to shoot this video. So one thing I just noticed is they have a Barrel Exhaust car. What do you call this?
Punch-in logo.
Punch-in logo on it. It's actually shorter than my existing handlebar, but then I think this should do the work because I have been instructed by some experienced riders that the place where I'm going for my next big trip, this a bit short handlebar would be useful out over there. This handlebar which I have on my bike right now, it's way longer than this. So it's gonna be, I think, hardly an inch shorter than the existing one, and
2 to 3 inches something.
For one side it's from one side it would be approx 1.5 inch shorter than the existing one. And यहाँ पे joints हैं इसमें.
इसके हाँ joints है, machine made joints है इसके सारे. Best thing तो इसका ये है, grips अच्छे हैं इसके.
Focus करना इसका.
हाँ किया. So grips अच्छे.
And for the installation of handlebar weights, they have a dedicated
slot है.
Slot over here. So let's go to garage and get it fitted. So as you guys have seen how the handlebar looks like, and let me quickly take it to the nearest garage where I have started recently servicing my bike, and yeah, let's reach out over there and show you how the handle will be fitted, because there are so many accessories on my handlebar right now, the existing handlebar right now. So let me also quickly show you how my existing handlebar looks like. Please ignore the background sound of Bhojpuri song. So this is my current handlebar, which is pretty much wide, and I have installed this waterproof speakers on it. This windshield frame is installed on this, and yes, also Papa is installed on it. So ऊपर
आ गया बेटा.
ये उतरी विंड स्क्रीन
क्या अभी का हाथ कितना फटफट चल रहा
है ना, वीडियो में आ रहे थे. So I'll remove this handlebar and speakers को as it is I'll leave on this. घर पे कुछ सेटअप करूँगा उसका अलग से.
पर्पल वाला पैटर्न ब्लेड लेके आया.
पिंक पैंथर बॉक्स कितना कीजिए, घर पे आके छोड़ दे मेरे.
घर पे नहीं जा रहा, मैं अपने घर पे जा रहा हूँ. तो शाम को मिलेगा तो नीचे दूंगा बिल्डिंग के पास. वायरिंग रीडिंग वो नो कर चुका.
ये हाथ में पकड़ना ऐसा, हमें नीचे लटक रहा है वो. क्यों नहीं आएगा? हाँ ऐसा पकड़.
ये कोई बाइक लेके छोड़ना ना, एक काम कर बाइक
बाजू में जाने के.
नहीं. ये रफीक चाबी दे गाड़ी की.
वीडियो कौन बनाएगा? वीडियो कौन बनाएगा? आलसी मानस.
No! God, please, no! No!
And here it goes off. let him quickly install it, and once it is done, I'll show it to you how it looks, and I'll be also taking a test ride of it to know and understand how comfortable it is now. So guys, just now you saw the clip which was from Rajmachi, where I took my classic 350 with the new handlebar, which is from Barrel Exhaust, and I would suggest you guys do have a look at it and do have a try. This handlebar from Barrel Exhaust was really good. I'm very much satisfied with its performance on the off-road trials as well as on the highways when I was cruising on highway. So the performance, the height, the length, the width of the handlebar, everything was comfortable for me, and I would suggest you can also go for it. The link to purchase this handlebar from Barrel Exhaust is given in the description box down below, which I purchased from Raw, which is in Andheri. So that's it for now, guys. If you like the video, then make sure you hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, you subscribe to it so that I'll be able to make more and more such content for you. Thank you so much for watching, and ride safe. Take care.